Good afternoon, folks. It's 2:40 p.m., June 22nd, 2023. This is a NuTone Bing Bong Proline II in the 48-inch configuration. I've hitched it up to a 5-speed Enviro fan control. We're going to start off on speed 1, which is the fastest. Speed 2. Stay still, will you? Three. 4. 5. 'And spin down. Now this is a very, not this fan in particular, but this make and model, is somewhat of a childhood fan. The company my dad worked for had one built. It was a glass atrium, and the fan, there was one of these up there. Same, everything about it was the same, except it had just the blades didn't have the creases in the middle. They were just straight blades, and but anyway, yeah, it was brown, and that disappeared. But there are two 56-inch white Prolines they installed about a decade later, because the building was built in 1990, and I have vague memories of when they built it and put in the fan. And I remember the fan was up there for a good 10 years or so, and then when I was I don't know, I would have been like 7 whatever years old. I remember when it was built and going and playing with it was a NuTone switch, actually probably very similar to this one here. I did not use this one because I don't know which one goes to the, it doesn't say anywhere. There's no instructions with it. If it matters where the red wire goes and where the black wire goes, so I wasn't going to short it out and try to find out. So I just stick with what I knew, and my Enviro fan switch. And the fan that I remember as a kid is long gone. Really didn't see too many brown ones. I think that was the only one I remember seeing. I saw a lot of white ones, but this is kind of an unusual color. And this particular fan I bought up in Rhode Island. I was going up there anyway to pick up a couple of fans, and it happened to show up on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, whatever, right around that time. And so I was able to kind of fill 2 birds with one stone and go up there and get the other fans and this one. I bought it off the original owner. He had it installed in his house, hence the very short down rod. It was just in one of the rooms in his house. So that's why it's in pretty good shape. There's no, no real, dents or rust or dirt or grime. I mean, it was obviously, it was kind of dusty, I think, when I got it, but I mean, I was able to clean that down, and, I think I might hang on to this one. Thought about selling it for a while, or trading it, but, it's such an unusual color that I really like it, because Yeah, I'm trying to think if I ever even saw another brown Proline when I was a kid. I think I have. I think that was the only one. Was at my dad's work, and then I was up there a couple of weeks ago, and they actually had there's a big heater that's there where the fan was, and there's they have the two white Proline IIs in the in another room, and then behind that there's a some little Hampton Bay thing, gift shop. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.